So I've noticed it goes back and forth between snowing and no snow. It's kind of getting annoying. I'd rather just it decide what it wants to do instead of be like one day it's cold, then it's warm, then it's not, then it is. It's like, what the hell? Make up your mind. If you're gonna be cold in the wintertime. That's just how it is. I mean, it's constantly cold, but it's in between snow and rain. Like snow, then it rains, and it's clear, then it's not. I don't know. Just bitching about it, I guess. Anyways, me and Mom are going out for a little bit, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, it's cheaper.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's a little bit cheaper.
Okay. No. No. My eyes are burning out of my skull.
I am.
They're probably red as you know what, so I'd rather not be on there.
You don't have to.
Yeah. Oh, you heard that? Somebody dropped their windshield wiper.
I don't know what that is.
It was a windshield wiper brush.
Really?
Yeah. Right in the middle of the road.
Oh.
Probably somebody who was doing it this morning and just forgot that it was on there. But, I mean, nobody got out and picked it up. But that just sounds weird.
I just don't have as much energy today.
Well, and there's no reason why you need to go and rest. I gave you the opportunity for you to
I know, I'm
stay
saying that
home.
there are things I have to do to get done today, that's all.
Alright, you let me know what it is.
Well, no, it's, you know.
Something I can help you with?
No, nothing like that.
Mommy would do anything for you. You know that.
I know.
Seriously.
Oh.
And I'm just like a little bit ticked.
I can tell it looks like there's no snow over here, but then there's snow on the ground. Like,
Well, because the ground is cold. Hey, Sean, I'm really sorry if I said.
or maybe we're too high up. Where we're at, it's higher up in elevation.
Oh, because in Beaver Falls, you mean?
No, in Hopewell.
Oh. No,
Hopewell is like a higher elevation than a lot of Beaver County.
that could be true.
I have, yeah, I'm working the next 3 days though.
Well, are you staying for those 3 days or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I'm sorry if I didn't seem like all of that this morning, but you know, I stood there and did those dishes, washed, dried, put away.
I was asleep
And,
all morning.
literally, huh?
I was asleep most of the morning.
That's it. Well, what do you think Kit does? No shit. I mean, really. I guess my house must be comfortable. I mean, you don't want to lose your card, your driver's license and debit card and crap.
Yeah. So, we're finally up a little bit more. We went into Arby's and had decent meal. What did you think of that value box?
I thought it was pretty decent. When I got, yeah.
So I didn't know. Mom told me. Mom told me apparently that like she went to she actually went bowling by herself.
I did. Yes, I did. I had a great time. I played 2 whole games, and it was a lot of fun.
You did? Oh. You should go this way real quick.
Where?
Up through this
Plaza?
where that truck is going.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know where it's going to.
It's behind, but I don't know how often you go behind here.
I've never been behind.
Really? Are you sure?
I've never. Except for I think the one time when they were rerouting and that.
Look at that.
What?
There's a little path there,
Yeah? What about it?
and me and Courtney, we were, this was a while back, but me and Courtney went behind there, and
in the woods?
they had hot tubs.
Where?
In that woods there, little patch of woods. Yeah,
I'm
it was
sorry.
funny.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it did. They had little, they had hot tubs and stuff. Obviously from when there was a pool thing there. But it was funny. We tried to make it seem more mysterious. But it was weird.
That would really be weird for sure.
They have a basketball hoop right there. Right behind one of the stores. I haven't been around that plaza in a while.
Look, Elaine Street.
Oh yeah.
That's what it says. Elaine Street. They named a name. What? What?
I want to get straight this way. I haven't done to this in a while. No, just my body isn't adjusting right yet to the 12 hours.
Now, where does this get off?
You'll see. You'll see where it goes.
Oh, back out to the Broadhead.
I feel bad because I haven't done a video yet for him. I said I was going to, and
Who?
the catering guy, the one over here.
Yeah.
Those are the only 2 I forgot about.
Oh, that catering that, I know which one you're talking about.
The 2 factory
Well,
guys.
what the hell is that? I have no clue. And that's Broadhead, right?
Yeah, Broadhead's right there.
Okay, are we going there or what?
Yeah,
Alright. Because I don't know where that is.
that just leads down. Yeah, that guy right there.
Oh, that catering service.
It isn't. You can actually sit down and eat in there too.
Yeah. 2 chefs catering company.
I mean, I hope there's stuff. It's so hard nowadays to tell what's open and what's not.
Yeah.
And they change the signs, so it's like that. It used to be like where if you change the signs around, you're just changing the signs. But nowadays, the way that it's going around here, you never know what's open and what's not.
Right. Because one day to just like that place up by now that one restaurant, Chinese restaurant still.
Yeah.
But that one bakery, they're gone.
Yeah. I hope Scooch's is still there.
No, Scooch's is still there, right next to what?
No, I just wanted to try to get.
Coons, okay.
I just wanted to get a few things for lunch this week. Yesterday we had Fox's Pizza.
Hey, I like their salad, man. That was a beast.
Yeah, I saw you were eating it.
Oh, see, I ate the whole thing.
You're enjoying it. I know they took that, they demolished that car wash.
Wonder why.
Yeah. Initially they were using that. I think that place that's a service, or that auto service now, I think they work on the vehicles and use all that as property. And they use that other garage too. There used to be 2 gas stations right by us. The one like right by the beverage place, and that gas station over there.
Hey, hold up. I'm going to ask Dad if he wants a packet.
So we were just inside Coons. And
my jacket was off. Seriously. It got stuck on here.
oh,
I give up on this day. I give up on this day altogether.
hold on, I'll help you out real quick.
No, I'm just, no.
I can help you.
Matter.
But I was saying, I can't believe that dry cat food.
Yeah.
Dry cat food is $7.29 for a bag. That must be some special kind of cat food.
Yeah.
I guess everyone's out because of the upcoming storm, so
Yeah.
the news says.
That's what they're doing.
National bullshit.
Is it
channel.
alright now?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the National Bullshit Channel. Damn, everyone and their mother is out
I
today.
know, right? Screwed up. No, I'm not happy about it.
No, you didn't get the joke.
What? Everybody and their mother?
Yeah, everyone and their mother.
I'm more upset about my coat right now.
What? I'll help you out with it. You probably just got it caught onto onto the cart.
Oh, it's still there. It's just, I have to.
Did you get cigarettes?
Oh, are you serious?
No, I just asked.
Give in his cigarettes.
I have no idea what's going on. I know it's not like the restaurant it was anymore. But they painted it. I didn't see that. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's definitely abandoned. Just feels like an off day to me. Leon's Caribbean Restaurant. Wow. Yeah, there's definitely nothing in there. I think the one in Beaver Falls isn't there either anymore. There might still be one in Pittsburgh though. But I don't know. You never can tell anymore. Did you get your coat working right?
Thanks to me and you. Yep. It was a joint effort.
Alright.
Probably because of this purse. Here, can you put that on your lap for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
I mean, we're going right home, so.
That's all emptied out over there. Well, but I'm not surprised. That Leon's. But that's been gone though. They repainted it for some reason, so I'm wondering if they're going to try to put another restaurant in.
I don't know. No, I'm just upset because it seemed like, you know, everything that I did today turned to shit.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
No, we got the
dog food and the cat food.
Yeah.
Lost $30.
Well, yeah, that was 10 for me, 10 for 20 for me.
Are you going to help bring it in?
Yeah.
And don't forget we got Dad his something to eat. I don't know, I'm just feeling very down today.
Alright guys, well, I was supposed to work today. However, as you can see, things have changed. So, what do? When it calms down, we are going to go outside and play in the snow and figure out and have some fun in the snow. Snow days. Snowed in. Stuck in the snow. Cold in snow. That's what I say. Cold like in snow. But we'll have some good times today. Out in the snow. Dang, look at that. It is deep. Wow. The snowstorm of the century. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. You can see from this side, it is deep.
But on Amazon, I would like for you to get me or find me a pair of woolen
Look at that.
or knit, knit, not mittens, gloves, knit gloves.
Everything is closed right now. Literally everything but gas stations. That's it.
Okay, so I paid $350 against the power line.
Okay.
I
Dang.
restored those $200.
This is the snowstorm
And
of 2026.
so we're down to 46.
I'm kind of snowed in now over at my parents. I was gonna leave Monday, but I don't know.
How much?
I'm kind of here now.
How much was the payment for going to be?
It'll be fine.
See, that shit's getting
Right now,
Yeah, but
right now, we're watching the game. The Broncos and Patriots. There's Patriots, Broncos, Seahawks, and
no, I use
Rams.
249.
So we'll see who. I think it's going to be Broncos and Seahawks, but you never know. But yeah, I want to keep you guys up to date on the snowstorm. I wanted to go out there earlier, but it's too deep. So we'll see how it goes. Mom, you
just
want to
texted.
play in the snow?
What's that?
You want to go play in the snow?
Yeah. You can just open up that window and, you know.
No, don't open the window.
I'm just kidding. God. I just texted Linda and said, what do you think the likelihood will be working?
I think the likelihood is close to 100%.
Oh, there's 2 cats in there.
Are you warm enough, hon?
Yes. Yeah.
As you can see, the snow's all the way up. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, your car is buried in under there.
Kind of. Not fully. It is getting pretty high. How high did they say it was going to be?
By 18 inches. That's what I've heard. Now, it doesn't mean it's that right now, but
Well, it's getting pretty damn high.
I would be interested to see what the because it hasn't stopped. It's still snowing.
Yeah, it's supposed to start till about 10 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah. So we might as well play smaller, you know.
That's hard with the bigger.
I know.
Is it done the same way?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just because it's the turtles.
Turtles, you know. Turtles, you know.
Who got you those?
Courtney.
Is Kitty home?
Probably.
Well, she didn't have work boss cops.
Oh, I want to tell her. So what do you do when you're stuck in the house? You literally can't get out of your house. You're me and Mom, you play Uno.
Hey, that was fun yesterday.
The giant Uno.
How many cards?
7.
Tired.
Yeah.
That's because you got up early.
It's a little bit easier than giant Uno.
Mm-hmm. How many cards? 6, 7, 8?
We need one more. So Mom won the first round of Uno. Turtle Uno.
That's a unique one. It really is.
Yeah. And it's still
Snowing.
snowing.
I wonder how much the end amount's going to be.
Well, you said about 18 inches.
I'd say it's going to be close to 2 foot. The way it's
Probably.
going.
Probably. So we found out in Turtles, you know, they have different colors now.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I played Uno.
No, it hasn't.
Well, I'm not the one yesterday. I'm just saying.
This is new. Kinda new.
5 cards.
7.
Okay. Okay, I got 7 there.
Yeah, there was no way anyone could get out. It's so thick out there. Yeah, it is.
I mean, just a little bit faster.
You know what I like doing in the summertime? I like getting out
You
and
getting ready to try and go camping, make up a little tent and stuff like you
yeah,
did.
I like
used to
watching
do that.
those stealth.
Stealth campers.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I used to like watching that.
See how they create places to sleep.
Bushcraft I'd like to do.
What is it?
That bushcraft.
Hmm.
But that's kind of hard without the materials.
Yeah. And relying on just what's there out in the woods.
Oh yeah, I mean you collect them, but
How long? Did you even get back to sleep at all?
yeah,
Oh, did you took a nap?
yeah.
Oh, good. I'm wiped out today.
You are?
I am. Well, I did a lot yesterday.
I know.
Got a lot of groceries in here. Because I wanted to make sure nobody had to starve this next couple days. When we're home, what the hell was that? A snowmobile?
It has to be. I don't think many people are on the road.
Huh. No kidding. There was somebody on a snowmobile. Now that's pretty ingenious.
That would be fun to go.
What? You really know what you have to do. You really, that's not you just
A
get on.
snowmobile?
Yeah.
Not that hard. It's like riding a motorcycle in the snow.
Mm.